Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a spring wreath using a 14-inch grapevine base. And these are the supplies I'm using. Okay, I've taken all the tags off of the florals and the greenery that I'm going to use. I'm going to go through quickly what I am going to use, and then I'm going to break them down into smaller pieces. This is a eucalyptus I did purchase from Hobby Lobby. These I saw at Dollar General, and I thought they were pretty. Dollar General's coming in clutch lately. And then we have some more eucalyptus. And I had these left over, and I'm not sure if I'm going to use them yet. But that's what we're using. So now I have my piles separated out. I have my greenery here, my florals here, and then this other eucalyptus here. And I do have some backup scrap greenery if I think I need it. So the first thing I see right here is I don't like that, so I'm going to trim that off. All right, I'm going to get started with my greenery first, and I'm going to go all the way around the wreath. I'm just going to dip it in my glue pot and place them in the wreath. Next, I'm going to go in with my florals, and again, I'm just going to randomly place them around the wreath. Dip it in my glue pot. Start around. There. I'm just going to keep going. You want to place your florals in at a slant with a grapevine. You don't want to just stab it through where it comes out through the back. Okay, so this is what I have so far. Filled out nicely. Now I'm going to make a bow. I just realized I forgot to put the lamb's ear eucalyptus. That's what I'm calling it. But I really don't think it needs it. Okay, so I'm going to start off with the burlap ribbon that I have. This is from Dollar Tree. I'm just going to drop it to the floor. Give it a fresh cut. I'm going to make a loop. Twist it. Make another loop. Twist it. Gather and twist, gather and twist. That's all you do. That's all there is to making a bow. Anyone can make a bow. I think I'll leave it at 5 loops. You know what? I don't have much left. I'm going to keep going. So this is what I have extra, and I think I'm just going to make that into tails, longer tails. So I'm just going to pinch it in the middle, keep it in between my thumb and my pointer finger. I had to locate a zip tie. So I'm going to start my bow with a zip tie. So I still have it in my thumb and my pointer finger. I'm going to take this around the middle. Make sure you have the right side up. I'm going to start the zip tie. I'm not going to crank it all the way down. I'm just going to start the zip tie. Bring it to the back. Now that I have that, I'm going in with a brown pipe cleaner. This way it'll be camouflaged. But I put a pipe cleaner in the zip tie. This way I have a way of attaching it to my wreath. So there's my bow. Okay. This is called fluffing the bow, or it's also called breaking the bow. Anyway, that's my bow. So now I'm going to attach it to the grapevine. I don't want to go all the way around the grapevine, although you could. So I have this little tool, and I think I got this from the Dollar Tree. I'm pretty sure I got it from the Dollar Tree. But it's called a weaving needle. So I'm going to put the pipe cleaner through the eye. I'm going to just kind of loop it on itself. And I want my bow to go here. Get the glue strings out of the way. And I'm just going to go through the grapevine with it. All right. And I'm going to do it with the other pipe cleaner. Okay. So here it is on the back. I'm just going to twist tie it. Clip it off. And then tuck it back into the grapevine. Oh. I also want to trim up your tails. I'm going to do a V-cut. So there you have it, folks. This is my completed project. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.